Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we're going to be making a gorgeous summer tropical greenery wreath. This wreath is so simple to make, but it looks beautiful and it looks expensive and it looks like it was really hard to make, but it's actually great if you're a beginner or if you're more advanced, it's great too. But if you're excited, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. It helps me out so much and I would so appreciate it. I got the idea for this wreath when I was in Michael's, just looking for inspiration as I was in my last video. This was the exact same trip. I will link that in the description. So I was looking around at Michael's and they have a beautiful houseplant selection of faux houseplants. I just had to pick these up because I thought they were really pretty and I put them together and I thought they looked really nice together. So I decided, hey, let's try and make a wreath with these. Okay, let's get into the materials. The materials you're going to need for this wreath are a 14-inch grapevine. You can use whatever size grapevine you want. I'm using a 14-inch, and that makes a 19 to 20-inch diameter finished wreath. And then I have these gorgeous, I don't know, they're houseplants. I don't know what they're called. I think they're so pretty. They are just so fun and different. And houseplants are mostly tropical plants. That's why I'm calling it a tropical greenery wreath for summer. Look at those. The quality is so good. And then I have these houseplants, which I also don't know what they're called because I'm not great with houseplant names. But they have this beautiful variegated leaf. Aren't those gorgeous? I love them. So I just think this is going to look so pretty together. So we have our grapevine and our greenery. You're also going to need hot glue and hot glue gun and wire cutters. And mine are all linked in the description below under tools, as well as my new silicone hot glue mat. I love it. A lot of you have asked about my old one. It was red. It was kind of grody looking. It was actually plastic and it came with a hot glue gun that actually exploded. So I don't ever recommend it, and I've never seen where you can buy the holder, but it's not as great as it looks. So all I have is a silicone mat, which is amazing because it cleans up so easily, and then I just have my glue sticks in this mason jar. It's kind of perfect. Anyway, the mat is also linked in the description for, I know a lot of you are going to be asking me that, so it's down there. The first thing we're going to do is clean up our grapevine. What I'm going to do is cut this greenery. See how it has all these beautiful stems? I'm going to cut those all apart. I'm going to add all of these into the wreath first, and then I'll put the next layer of florals in. So I just add some hot glue and stick it in along the grain of the grapevine on toward the inside. And then the next piece we're going to hot glue and put it on the outside of the grapevine and down a little bit. See how we've staggered it? And we're just going to continue on until we have finished all the way around the wreath. And if you have a longer piece that's going a little crazy, you can also add some floral wire to hold it in place. And I just take the floral wire, stick it through the grapevine, and twist. Now that we have our base greenery down, we're going to add our next greenery. And we're just going to put them in the gaps. And because this leaf is so bold, it really, you don't need a lot. That's why I only have one bush of that. If you have a stray leaf, I can put it right there. I just dab some glue right there in that little hole. And then I will stick it right there. Beautiful. I seriously love this wreath. It's so fun and different. Do any of you come up with your wreaths that way? You go to the store and just play around with the florals and put things next to different things and see what looks good together? How many of you do that? And sometimes you come out with a gorgeous wreath, and other times it's an absolute fail. And I think this was a fun win. But it's definitely different. Definitely different. But houseplants are so popular right now. All the different textures, and it just makes your home look so tropical, and it kind of has that boho vibe. I really like it. And yeah. I'm just kind of mixing the leaves together as I go. So cute. It's about 19 to 20 inches in diameter, leaf tip to leaf tip. Gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Here it is. What do you guys think? I think it's so fun. I just love houseplants, and it's just a fun way to add that boho vibe to your house, and these leaves look so real. They're amazing. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and share this video with a friend who maybe loves houseplants and can't keep them alive. Maybe they want to know how to make a faux one. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.